Welcome to the Electrical Innovations guide of how to use a Pyronix Enforcer. In this video I'm going to show you how to add a tag to your alarm system and then set and unset the system using that tag. So first thing we're going to do is wake the panel up, and then we're going to head into the manager's menu. To access this you press D and then type in your manager's code. The default code out of the box is 2222. On here we're going to use no to cycle through the questions. If you want to enter a sub-menu, you can answer the question with the yes. We're looking to edit users and then add a new user. As you can see, I've already got one user code programmed in, but now we're going to add a second one with the tag. Instead of entering a code, all you have to do is present the tag to the keypad. As you can see, it's filled in the details here, and you just press yes to accept. Now it's going to ask you what type of user this tag is going to be in the panel. You can either have it as a basic user or as a manager. We're going to leave it as a basic user in this case. You can choose which areas you want to set it for. If you want your tag to be used as a normal user on the system, having access to all areas is a good idea. However, in some cases you might want to give your tag to a dog walker or a gardener or a cleaner or someone like that, and you only want them to have access to certain areas. And it also makes it a lot easier to use. So in this situation we're actually going to go ahead and just restrict them to zone A. This gives you the choice of whether the user can set or unset the system. And we're going to leave it as unset and set the system. Flexi set. If we chose more than one zone, this would give them the option to choose which zone when they present the tag. And we're going to keep it as no and leave the username next. So in this situation we're going to keep this tag and just call it tag1. What I'm doing here is pressing the key corresponding to the letters on the keypad. If there's multiple letters we needed further choices on, you can press it multiple times. For example, D, E, F, or empty space. We'll just make this one tag1. That's now programmed. We'll press no because we don't want to add any more users. And as soon as we see capital letters, we can press A to exit the menu. Now we're back in the main menu. We can use this tag to set the system. As you can see, that's gone straight into zone A. With that second chime, we know the system's fully armed, and we can also unset the system.